Hello to all my happy Black women. It's Rosetta, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite mindset practices that keep me feeling positive and inspired throughout the day, and that is using affirmations. Now, if you follow me on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, then you know just how much I love affirmations. I post a different affirmation every single day on my social media because they have been so powerful in my life, and my Happy Black Woman tribe loves them too. And so today I want to talk to you about the power of using affirmations and how you can start doing this for yourself throughout your day. Now, before we start talking about how to use affirmations, we need to get clear on what exactly is an affirmation in the first place. So there's a big clue in the name itself. An affirmation is an affirmative statement that you declare in the present tense as a way to help you attract what you want into your life. So it is a tool based on the law of attraction, which is all about you aligning your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions with your goals, your dreams, and your desires. So when you state an affirmation, you say it in the present tense. You say, I am, or I have. You do not say, I will, or I will have, because that is stating that what you want is out there. It's a long way away. Maybe you'll get it, maybe not. But when you truly declare an affirmation, you are affirming that what you want is already happening in your life, and that is the power of an affirmation. That is totally in alignment with the concept of acting as if, which was popularized by the author Dr. Wayne Dyer in his book Manifest Your Destiny. And it's a great book, by the way, you should get it. But when you act as if you already have what you want, you tend to get that thing or that experience or that achievement so much faster. All right, so now that we're clear on what an affirmation is, let's talk about how to use them. So here I am at my altar, which is in my home office. And what I do is I like to come to my altar, and in the mornings in particular, I like to light a candle. This is a new one that I got recently when I was in Atlanta. It's rose jasmine and it smells amazing. So I like to light a candle, and I like to pick an affirmation card. So this one that I picked recently says, I am attracting more money into my life every day. So you see how the affirmation starts with I am. It doesn't say I will hopefully get some money sometime in my life. It says I am attracting more money into my life every day. That is an affirmation. It is an affirmative, positive statement that's rooted in the present tense. Because if you want to attract money into your life, you want to declare that it is already happening. All right, so that is how I do my affirmations when I'm at home. And what I do is I like to read it. I like to meditate on it. I will say it out loud, and I will just feel how good it feels for that statement to be true in my life. When you read your affirmation out loud, you want to take a moment to feel how good it would feel to have that statement be true in your life, right? So you feel that feeling, and then you carry that throughout your day. So for those of you that have not gotten a packet of my affirmation cards, I wanted to share with you a few more of what they are. So it has my branding on it, Happy Black Woman, right? And then like this one says, I am successful and I surround myself with successful people. It's a great one. I am letting go of everything that no longer serves me. That's another great one. So here's another thing. When you order your affirmation cards, you get a little package like this. So cute, right? And it has 30 affirmation cards. And so there's one for every day. And then it comes with this little easel, right? So you can have, make sure you can see that. So you can have this little setup that I have here, which is on my altar in my home office. I've got my easel and I put my affirmation for the day there. And I get to carry that throughout my day, throughout my week. You can have one affirmation for the month. It's up to you. You can pick one based on how you want to feel, what you want to be thinking about for that day or week or month. Or you could close your eyes, spread them all out in front of you, and really let yourself be guided to one and pick one that way. Sometimes I do that. So that is how you can use affirmations to really stay in a positive and inspired mindset and not get distracted by what's going on around you or what other people are saying or doing or thinking. You get to stay in your vibration as a happy Black woman who is committed to achieving her goals. I hope this video was useful to you, and in the meantime, head on over to the Happy Black Woman Boutique and get your pack of affirmation cards for yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.